One insider tip for building a new home would be learning how to read house plans. So it's a little bit more homework that you should be doing so that you don't get left behind on the journey. The floor plan is the basis for your new home. There's a number of other plans, including elevations, which are the side views, there's cross sections, there's details, there's a big number of plans that could be up to 30 or 40 pages by the time it's finished. But the most important one to start with is the floor plan. If you can understand a floor plan, which is covered in a whole lot of dimensions and a whole lot of lines, that will give you a great start on your journey. So when you look at it, you need scale. And the floor plan has a lot of dimensions and a lot of numbers and arrows on it. So ask your builder to show you, even with a tape measure in a room, what does that mean? Or even better, get them to put some furniture in place. It's even better if you have some furniture sizes of existing furniture, because they can scale the furniture to whatever size. We all know there's a certain size for a king size, a queen, a double and a single bed. Get them to place those in so that you can see, can this bedroom fit 2 single beds? The other important thing is to understand some of the terminologies, what a WC means in terms of a water closet, which is actually the toilet. The laundry is often shown on plans as LNDY, so understanding some of those acronyms will help you understand the flow of the plans. The other thing is doors. Doors will show on a plan with a single line and an arc showing the way the door opens. Look at those carefully so you know which way the door will be hanging and which way the door will open into certain rooms. Also look at the placement of items within those rooms. For instance, in a bathroom, you need to understand where the shower and the bath and the vanity will be. Those all sound very simple, but if you can learn how to read a floor plan, you can ask the right questions. And again, if you don't know, the secret is to ask, because of course, builders will look at a floor plan in 3 dimensions, you're looking at a 2-dimensional flat piece of paper. So it's vital that you do some homework on that well before even starting to look at floor plans to avoid confusion.